Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate PayPal IPN for subscription billing updates. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate PayPal IPN for subscription billing updates, begin by logging into your PayPal account. Navigate to the settings icon in the upper right corner. Select Account Settings. In the left sidebar, find the Notifications section. Click on Instant Payment Notifications. If you haven't set up an IPN endpoint, click Choose IPN Settings. Enter your notification URL, where you'll receive IPN message. Make sure to enable the IPN message delivery by selecting the checkbox. Click the Save button to confirm your settings. Next, open your server environment where you'll handle the IPN responses. Create a script file to process incoming IPN messages from PayPal. Within your script, begin by reading the incoming IPN data. Use the file_get_contents function to capture the raw post data. To ensure data integrity, append cmd =_notify validate to the IPN message. Send this combined data back to PayPal for verification using curl. Set up the curl options to include the correct URL and parameters. Execute the curl request and capture the response. Check if the response from PayPal is verified. If the response is verified, proceed to process the IPN data accordingly. If the response is invalid, log the issue for further investigation. Implement logging for both verified and invalid responses for future reference. Write code to handle subscription updates, focusing on actions like renewals or cancellations. Ensure your script can handle different IPN types related to subscription billing. Test your implementation using PayPal's sandbox environment for verification. Once everything is working correctly, switch over to your live PayPal account. Monitor your IPN logs regularly to address any potential issues quickly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.